Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about how you can detect, analyze, and compare faces on Amazon Management Console using the feature of Amazon Rekognition. In today's world, if you want to do this challenge, you could build and develop your own machine learning model, right? Develop your own API, and even you have to manage your own infrastructure. The option is really expensive, require advanced knowledge, and obviously requires time also. Instead of taking all the difficult route, it is very much you can use the Amazon recognition system, which actually detects faces of image or video, find facial landmarks such as a position of eyes and all, and at the end of a result, it can detect emotions such as happy or sad in real-time basis. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So when you get into the system, when you log into your Amazon Management Console, the very first thing is the user interface. It's really simple, it's really informative on the way. To do our process, what we need to do is first log in, and second, what we need to do is to find the recognition. So we're going to do, we'll be typing for the system, and here you go with Amazon recognition. Click on it. When you click on it, it will take some time based upon the net connectivity and the region you have opted for. So when you do have this thing, you can see the best things, and the very important thing is that it provides you all the documentations that are really important for you to understand what the things are required. But for this tutorial, what we are going to show, we are going to show you the very practical way to learn things. So you have to just follow things as it is, illustrated in the video, and it's just super simple because it's really, very user friendly and very much easy for anyone to have any experiment on, this console. So what we are going to click, if you see on the left side, you're going to see there's so much of the things that are very awesome. Now for this time, we're going to use the facial analysis. We're going to click on it, and when you click on it, you can see there's lots of presets. For now, I'm going to use, let's use one of mine. So okay, let's just use this one. So it's going to upload your video, and you have to wait for some seconds, not so much, but for seconds. And during the meantime, you can see that the console is actually working super awesome to understand the face. Now it's actually detecting the face and now analyzing. Now I'll be showing you how it is analyzing. As the overall process, you can see that these are the results it's showing you over here. It looks like a face, appears to be a male, age range, smiling, appears to be happy, not wearing glasses. The most important thing as a developer, you want to see the JSON file. So here it is. When you click on the response, a file has been created, and where you can understand the confidence level, the confidence percentage, the gender value, you know and there are so much of things. And the very important thing is that under the emotion section, you can see here, you can see the type of emotion: disgusted, calm, fear, confused, happy, angry, sad, surprised. And again, you can see the landmarks option. You can scroll over to various things, and you have seen that is super easy for you. What we have to do, click on the option, click on the upload button, and boom, the machine does all the things in just a few clicks away. It's really super awesome to see things that really the technology is really super awesome for anyone who wants to do things on platform, who doesn't know about so much of the coding, or just want to get something uh, just without wasting, or without spending super more time, or more time. He or she can definitely try this out, and see that it's super awesome and easy. Now what we are going to do for the next time, for the next thing, what we are going to do, we are going to compare the faces. We're going to compare every whatever things are required. For this now, we have done the facial analysis and detecting of the face. So to compare the face, all you have to do to click on the face comparison, and when you see on the face comparison, you have to click on the upload button for the picture one. Let be this time this picture, and for the other one let be this picture. So when I am going to upload the both of the picture, and you can see for a few seconds it's going to analyze it, and yes, now you can see that um, this picture, this face has been, this one, and which is exactly similar to 99% 0.9% of the confidence. And you can see that his face. Now don't think that is a system error or something. No, it's not a system error. It's somewhere in here. You can, if you can see, the system has detected there. So you can see that the MS, the system is enabling you to understand similar to the faces. And again, when you click on the response button, you can see it's really super awesome, where you can see the confidence, the face matches, and all the important thing that are really important for you to understand as a developer. And you can have the very, very much detailed. And with this, you know the thing is, the most important thing in this tutorial is that even if you're not a developer, you have learned about how to analyze face detect and face compare in AWS system, and that is really great when it comes to empowerment of technology, even you are not from a IT or CS background. It's really great to see that user interface are the most important things in creating the experience of the end of the day of a user. And with this thing, I believe you have learned and experienced about how to have a face comparison or detect or face analysis of a potential in this tutorial. So yes guys, so thank you so much for your time. You hope you are having a great day. Stay home, you know and yes,